Transform your art commission business by mastering Stripe payments. First, let's get your Stripe account set up. Head over to Stripe.com and click on Start Now or Sign Up. You'll need to provide some basic business information, including your name, email, password, and country. Be sure to use an email you check regularly, as Stripe will use it for important communications. Once your account is ready, navigate to the Payment Links section. This is where the magic happens. For commission payments, click on Create Payment Link to begin. Here, you'll define the details of your commission in the Item Name field. You can write something like Custom Digital Portrait or Ink Drawing Commission for the price. Enter the agreed upon amount for the commission. The description is your chance to add any specific details about the project, like the size or medium, or even a link to the initial agreement. You can also add more details here, like specifying the quantity if a client is ordering multiple pieces, or adding custom fields for the client to input their specific requirements, like a reference photo upload link if you're comfortable with that. Now customize your payment page. You can add your logo and a brief description of your art business. This makes the payment process feel more professional and branded for your clients. Once you've filled everything out, click Create and Stripe will generate a unique payment link for your commission. You can share this link directly with your client via email, social media, or any messaging platform. Your client will see a simple, secure page where they can enter their payment details and complete the transaction. Stripe handles all the sensitive information, keeping both you and your clients safe. Back in your Stripe dashboard, you can view all your incoming transactions. Stripe will automatically process and deposit your earnings into your linked bank account. Usually within a few business days, you can manage your payouts and view your transaction history right here. For more formal transactions, Stripe also allows you to create and send professional invoices. Navigate to the Invoices section and click Create Invoice. You'll be able to add client details, line items for your commission, and set payment terms, further streamlining your administrative tasks. Stripe empowers artists to get paid efficiently and securely, so you can spend less time worrying about payments and more time creating beautiful art. Start using Stripe today and elevate your commission business.